There's nothing quite like a plate of Dahi Vadas on a hot Indian summer day. Light, creamy, tangy, and absolutely refreshing. Join us as we show you few simple tricks that will help you make it pretty easily at home. We are starting off with two kinds of lentils, Urad Dal and Moong Dal. First, rinse them thoroughly, then soak them both separately for 4 hours. The Urad Dal is going to give structure and body to the vadas. The Moong Dal helps make them softer and more spongy. This is the key if you want them to soak up all the delicious curd and chutney later on. We have used a 1:3 ratio of Moong to Urad Dal, which works beautifully for soft fluffy vadas with a perfect texture. Now it's time to make the batter. Using a slotted spoon, transfer the soaked dals into the blender. This helps leave behind any extra water. You want your batter to be thick and not watery at all. Grind the dals into a smooth thick paste. Once done, scoop it into a mixing bowl. Now comes the most important part, filling the batter with air. Using your fingers, beat the batter vigorously in one direction for about 10 minutes. This step is crucial. It incorporates air which makes the vadas light and fluffy. You will know it's ready when the batter holds its shape and doesn't fall off your hand if you scoop some up and flip it like this. Next, we will add in some flavors starting with finely chopped ginger for that warm bite, a few chopped chilies for the heat, and some raisins for a hint of sweetness in every bite. Do not add salt to the batter right now. Salt draws out the moisture and we don't want to undo all the hard work we just did by editing the batter. To make the soaking water for our vadas, use chilled water along with a pinch of salt and a little bit of hing. You must be thinking, why use chilled water? Well, when you drop hot vadas into the cold water, it cools them quickly and stops the cooking process, keeping them soft and spongy. If the water is warm or hot, they will keep cooking and turn rubbery. That's not what we want. There is no dahi vadas without the curd. So take some sour curd, add a spoonful of sugar to it to balance the tang. Whisk it gently until smooth and creamy. Avoid using a blender, it can make your curd run. You want it to be thick and luscious and silky like this. When you are ready to fry, wet your fingers slightly and scoop small portions of the batter. Gently drop them into the hot oil. Keep the heat at medium for the best results. Too low and they will turn oily. Too high and they will brown too fast while staying raw inside. Once they are lovely golden brown, take them out and immediately submerge them in the prepared soaking water. Let them sit for about 10 minutes. They will soak in the salt and hing and become super soft. Now let's assemble the vadas in the form of a chaat. Take the vadas out of the soaking water and gently press them with your palms to release the excess water. But do not squeeze too hard. You want them moist and flavorful, not dry. Place them in a serving bowl or a plate. Pour the sweetened curd generously over them. Then go with your favorite toppings like green chutney for the freshness, tamarind chutney for that sweet tangy punch, roasted cumin powder and chaat masala for that iconic street food flavor, and finally sprinkle of save on top for that crunch. And there you go, a gorgeous delicious plate of dahi vada that's perfect for the summer get-togethers, festivals, or even a regular weekday treat. Give this recipe a shot and don't forget to tell us how it turned out. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!